In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to add a new one and adjust it however you wish to. At the top you can pick an hour, then select one of those repeat options, link ones. Work days, you can adjust each one, or custom. If you selected custom to pick days of the week, exclude them by hitting the blue ones. Now tap on alarm name and name it however you want to. Click on ringtone, tap on allow, and pick one of those system themes, or click on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back and use this switcher next to vibrate to switch it off or on. Then hit snooze, adjust how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, and even switch it on or off at the top. Then go back and this time, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm is here. To manage it, use this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit done. To get rid of it, hold it, choose delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!